Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to showcase a variety of hair transformations. So if you have been dreaming of a brand new hairstyle, this video is for you. We kick things off with this beautiful salt and pepper pixie style. She looks absolutely gorgeous. What an inspiring hair change. And then we move on to the next one. So she starts off with mid-length hair. It looks like the stylist did a beautiful shoulder length cut. Off center part, gorgeous. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please don't forget to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see a bob haircut makeover. And this is an absolutely gorgeous bob. Beautiful bangs in the front, cascading back. Stunning transformation. Her hair has so much body and movement too. And then we see someone with very long mid-back length hair. Her hair has this beautiful natural sheen to it. Wow, gorgeous angled bob haircut. Absolutely stunning. So then we move on to the next one. She does have long mid-back length hair. It looks like the stylist is going to be doing more of like a mid-length cut for this one. Adding in a few layers. Gorgeous. Love the angled bangs in the front. Very nice. Next up, we see someone with a bob haircut. Looks like she's going to be getting a color change for this one. Oh, very nice. So she ended up going with this blonde color. And I really like the way the stylist curled this bob. Very nice. So it looks like the stylist is going to be adding in some color for this next one as well. Wow, so she ended up going blonde. What a dramatic transformation. I kind of wish she would have cut her hair into a bob. I think it would have looked a little bit healthier, but wow, this color looks amazing. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles today and you were able to gain some major inspiration. If you were, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.